Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Boss. If you've ever had a website idea in your head but didn't know how to bring it to life, no coding skills, no design tools, then today's video is for you. We're taking a deep dive into Readdy AI, a next-gen platform that builds complete websites from your words alone. That's right, just describe what you want, and this smart AI transforms it into a fully functional, responsive site. Whether you're a solo creator, small business owner, or even a developer looking to speed things up, this tool is seriously impressive. It's fast, flexible, and surprisingly intuitive. Let's jump in and see how it works. First things first, sign in, name your project, and choose your preferred tech stack. You've got options like HTML, Vue, React, or UniApp. For this walkthrough, we'll stick with HTML to keep things simple. Click Create, and you're in. Next, pick your device type, desktop or mobile. Now comes the fun part. Just describe your website in your own words. Whether it's a portfolio, landing page, blog, or business site, type out the layout, vibe, and any features you want. Hit send, and Readdy AI instantly generates a clean, professional layout tailored to your description. Here's the best part. You can accept the design as is or tweak anything. Fonts, layout, colors, spacing, total control without the technical mess. Need a map in the footer? Just say so. Type that in and the layout updates accordingly, showing just how well this AI understands structure and intent. Where Readdy AI really shines is how it works with you, not just for you. You're not locked into rigid templates. You're actually directing a creative partner. Want to edit text? Just click and type directly on the canvas. It's that easy. One of the coolest features is the ability to add a video in the hero section. Just select the section, enter your prompt, and hit Generate. In no time, a high-quality video is created, relevant, dynamic, and perfectly placed. And if you don't love it, you can regenerate it or apply it right away. It's smooth, fast, and the video quality is seriously impressive, adding instant polish to your landing area. Let's say you want to add the CEO's section. Just describe it, and Readdy AI handles the rest. It can replace the image, remove the background, generate a new one, and apply the changes, all in just a few clicks. And if you're building a multi-page site, the process stays just as seamless. Click Add a new page, and Readdy AI automatically generates a matching page with consistent styling, fonts, and layout. No more starting from scratch. It keeps your site visually cohesive and professional looking throughout. Honestly, the consistency between pages is one of the most underrated but powerful features. You can also collect information using the built-in data collection tool. Just generate your form. Enter your desired fields, like name, email, feedback, or anything else. And once someone submits the form, you can view the messages directly in the data collection section. Need to export? Just one click. Curious about the actual code? Click Code to view, copy, or download the full HTML and assets behind your design. It's transparent, editable, and gives you full ownership of your project. When you're ready to go live, just hit Publish, link your domain, and boom, you're online. No complicated deployment process, just fast, clean, and done. All in all, Readdy AI turns the complex process of web design into a simple, collaborative experience. You bring the vision, the AI brings it to life. If you're looking to build smarter, faster, and with less friction, this tool is absolutely worth trying. Thanks for hanging out with us here at AI Boss. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what AI tool you'd like us to review next. Until then, keep creating, stay curious, and we'll catch you in the next video.